All right, back we go. More videos. It is Tuesday, February 16th. Looking at some of these movers, runners, pretty much low float stocks, but doesn't have to be that low float for a stock to move. TIGR, I remember the stock, 115 million floats. This is a higher float, 4.81 billion market cap. Um, Analyzing fintechs holding unusual options activities. All right, basically, Uh, UP FinTech Holdings provides online brokerage services focused on Chinese investors. Uh, Develop platform to allow investors to trade stocks, options, warrants. This is in Beijing, China. I remember this stock when this stock was in May and it kept going down. I'm like, this is gonna break. It's got to break out, and it never did. It just kept going, going. I thought here would bounce it forward. It still didn't. It made this little move here, $2. You know where it's at now? $37. Unbelievable. And you can see right here, came down, broke above 4, went near 8, came down again. And it just sort of grinded here. Nothing great. Like you got the 8, it was making some decent moves, volume. Then it got to 6. And then it started to unload too with all these crazy stock moves. 8 started to rise up, 12. You can't even keep track of all them. There's so many. The volume, look at the volume here, 15 million. It crushes any volume it had. So it just starts moving 10, 18, back to 16, back to 30. Today, 37.90 is up 26%. This is a grand slam swing trade if you held this from down here. Maybe you're taking a shot. Maybe like, yeah, I see it over 8. Fintech, online brokerages you see around the world, like stock trading is up huge. It's massive right now. They can't even like keep hold of all these accounts because there's so much liquidity. They can't keep track of all the not keep track, but all the money in the brokerages. They can't keep up the pace that happened with Robinhood, and they just don't have the software, hardware, all that stuff to keep track of all the money coming in and out. They can't. It's just not happening right now. So this is a Chinese brokerage, so maybe that has something to do with it too, because all the brokerages around the world are unbelievable. So look at this. This is all time high. For the 38. I don't know where this is going. No one does. This is keep going to 50. I don't know. Where's it going to stop? Any pullback, I would say 26. Watch a pullback to 22. See if it comes back up from there. But just showing this one, it's an incredible run. Um, it's pretty amazing at this point. Go into like the 30-minute. Look at the 30-minute on this. Just kept going up, bounces, kept going up. So stocks sometimes can run. They can keep running, and you're not sure where they're going to stop exactly. So Tiger was a home run. All right, here is USWS. 40 million float, 164 million market cap. They operates an oil field service company in the United States. Hydraulic fracturing services, oil and natural gas. Oil, gas, they've all been on fire because of these storms. You have Texas. You're getting like the whole state of Texas, winter storm warning, ice, snow. They never get that. Very bizarre. East Coast, all kinds of stuff happening. So oil's really ramped up. I remember when oil was 40. Look back at some videos, and I said, look technically, I said it could go to 55, 60, maybe like top range, and that's where it's at. It really kept going, and even with like airlines, cruises, people not traveling as much and driving, didn't even matter because of that. That's a big when you have storms and ice, snow, and they get to ramp up production. Here's USWS. This fell to 1 all the way to near 25, 30 cents. And had a few spikes here. Then it bounced all the way to 30 again. Just drifted. See, drifted like 10 cents, 20 cents, bounced up near 5. Had a pullback right here, his little cup and handle. 70, another right here, another little dip, 90. Broke this one level. Big level here. The one level, most important level in penny stock land, one level. If you break one, you will continue. If you can't get over one, you usually fall back. Yeah, this kept going, and look at it, hammered out this, and today 40%, just a big candle here, and it took apart all shorts. It's really broke out at two for some reason. They put in this is 3.2 million on this 150 150 p.m. Went all the way up 225, then went sideways. Where's this one going to go? Well, it's over two now. You have two. This is a big line here, too. Put a line here. You have a big line at two, and this goes over two. You got 250 to 350 right here. So this is all just drop downs, lines, drop downs. Nothing really back here except the line's a line. So look for 250 to 3 on this. Yet this does pull back strong. I would look for it's so far away EMA again. This could fall back to 125.1 and still be a long. When you're just rising like this, you really just start like snowball effect. It's momentum. You keep rolling here. Just for me a crescendo move, and eventually you're gonna get some peak move. So market's pretty insane right now, but it's completely a strong move right now. All right, AKBA. I talked about this one. Multiple bottoms. This 142 million float, 728 million market cap. Biopharma, development commercialization of renal therapies, patient with kidney diseases. So, this had the failed drug all the way back down. We've talked about this one too. To what line is this? To like the 250 line. Put up the 4. Bounce the 3 back and forth. This broke up all the way to the 5 line. This is sort of a cup and handle too. Not really a true cup and handle, but right here. And then we bounced over 4. Got the 5 now. And we tested this 450 line. This is very strong, and it's trying to break 5. So we had maybe a line back here 4. If we break over 5, what's next on this? You have open skies right here. I mean, you could take all these lines back and forth. There's not in front of it though, so this could go to 5. Immediately looking towards 7 to 8 if this keeps rolling. So this is a very strong move. When you see this and a pullback sideways, that's really good. That could be the next move up, some major move here. So I like the way this is moving a lot. AKBA. All right, so these 3 stocks very strong action on all these. Tiger, insane. US, WS with oil, and AKBA looking very good. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments, tips on these stocks. Anything any information, because I can't go through every piece of information on these stocks. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. And YouTube, smash the like button and subscribe if you can. Please. Peace.